Hey there, ice cream enthusiasts. Today we're taking a sugar-coated trip through history, exploring the fascinating world of ice cream innovation. From its humble beginnings to the mind-bending flavors of today, get ready to lick the bowl clean as we uncover the stories behind your favorite frozen treat. It all started with emperors in ancient China who enjoyed a chilled dessert made with snow, honey, and fruits. Fast forward a few centuries, and Marco Polo brings the sweet secret to Europe, where it becomes a royal delicacy enjoyed by the likes of Catherine de' Medici. But wait, how did they make ice cream without our fancy refrigerators? Enter the ingenious hand-cranked ice cream maker invented in 1843 by the amazing Nancy Johnson. This game changer allowed everyday folks to churn up their own frosty delights, bringing ice cream to the masses. The 20th century saw an explosion of innovation, with the birth of iconic brands like Ben & Jerry's and Haagen-Dazs. New flavors like chocolate chip cookie dough and Rocky Road took the world by storm, while soft serve and frozen yogurt joined the party, offering lighter and healthier options. But who invented soft serve? Was it Dairy Queen or Carvel? The debate rages on. And who can forget the mind-boggling flavors of today? From avocado to bacon, the possibilities are endless. So the next time you indulge in a scoop of your favorite flavor, remember the long and delicious journey it took to get there. Ice cream is a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable craving for something sweet and satisfying. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a pint of pistachio bliss. Don't forget to subscribe for more frozen fun. And remember, life is short. Eat dessert first.